Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's been a beautiful day. So this is the last full day I'm going to be here. Figured I'd show you all what's in the well. This has been an exceptional drought here. We've gotten a ½ inch of rain or 13 millimeters. So it's been really dry. As dry as I've ever seen it out here for the past 10 years. So let's take a look inside the well. This is the well. If you are new to the channel, I built this over about a 30-day period over multiple trips. It gets its water from the pond right here. The pond's completely dry due to the drought, exceptional drought. There's a trenched all the way to the well at the depth of the bottom of the well and put sand and gravel in there, so that's the filtration system. Whatever level the pond is, that puts pressure on that water in that channel and pushes it up into the well at the same height. I've got an access door here, a little 24 by 24 that I built out of angle iron and plate steel. Let's get inside the well. You can see the water looks fairly decent down there. I see something floating down there. I don't know what that is. Oh, you know what it is? It came off the cord for that little pump that I have. I'm gonna have to get in there and get that out. Well, let me measure the water level and I'll get my leaf blower and pump a bunch of air down here just in case there's some unfriendly gases down there. Don't want that the last time I go down the well to be the last time I do anything. Safety first. So it had 16 inches of water in it when I got here. And now, judging by the water, it's got about 11 inches on the tape. Dropped a good bit. Dropped about 5 inches. We took out about 160 gallons is all we took out. Yeah, I don't think the well's going to have water much longer if this exceptional drought hangs around. Let's get out of the well. So, something I need to do that I haven't got around to doing, I'm going to build right here along the side of the building a tank that'll hold 30,000 gallons of water. So I'll be able to, when the pond has water in it, the well will have water. I can pump water from the well into that tank, and that'll be my reserve if we ever have a real dry spell again. Of course, once I get this pond down to 25 feet, it's at 13 feet in the deepest point right now. It shouldn't ever go dry. It'd take about 2 years with no rain for it to do that. Additionally, the guttering off of this building will dump into that tank as well. There'll be an overflow when it's full. It just dumps back into the pond. I'll also have some lines that run up to a dome structure up there that'll have two 600-gallon tanks, one with pond water and one with well water. And then later, I'm going to dig an upper pond, so there'll be some more water reserve up there. So not this year, but the year before, I saw the pond fill up twice and overflow out of here. So there's definitely room for more water catchment. I'm just not there yet. But that's the plan for water security out here. Is this tank will give me 30,000 gallons of storage capacity, along with more, pond excavated. So we were down in the well. I had to come in here to get that piece of plastic out. You can see where I've been putting the pump right there. The gravel, the bottom, that little fine silt got drawn up. And there's the well point for the pitcher pump. Been a while since I've been down inside the well here. You can see these old big base stones that I put down. It was a lot of work to build this thing. It'll be here for thousands of years. Some interesting little mineral stalactites here. You can see this 6-foot ID across, and then I bottlenecked it in to 3 foot right there. Well, time to get out. Well, I guess that's all I have for this one. I'll see you on the next one.